So you first need to start by just Googling Microsoft AI Art Generator. From here, you can get as specific as you want. Maybe holding a sign and balloons outside of the castle. So it's just going to think of them. These are the ones I did, looking for Harry Potter and other ones I've done. I think that this countdown here is telling you only get a certain amount each day, but I'm not sure. So you can pick one and see if you like these. If not, you can refresh it. I'm going to go with this one. And then we're going to customize it. It's okay if the words aren't right because you can just cover over top of that. So, like that happy birthday that they spelled wrong, I'm just going to put a rectangle over there. And you can either try to match it to the background or you can put your own color on there. Let's see. There. And then on top of it, you can put a text box. And write whatever you want. Shrink it down so it fits on the side. And center it, and again make sure it fits on there. You can also change the font if you want. And then when you find one you like, just download it and you're ready to go. And these are free. I think you get a certain amount free and then you have to upload it. I think you get a certain amount free each day. But that's it. And then you have a fun little sign to show to your kids.